Hi everyone, so I'm back with a great off-campus opportunity, and this one is with Lenovo. So if you don't know by now, Lenovo is hiring for software developers right now. So this is a great opportunity for all of you freshers that are looking for a job. So in this video, we'll be talking more about the role, we'll be talking about the eligibility, and as always, I'm going to give you guys tips on how to get your resume shortlisted. So everything that you need for this is going to be within this video. So make sure to watch the complete video and then apply ASAP. The link to apply is going to be in the description box, and we don't know when it will close, so you have to be one of the early applicants. Try to apply as soon as possible. Do not delay it for further. Okay? And if you're someone who's having difficulty in off-campus placements, if you keep on applying but you're not getting a call back, you're not getting shortlisted anywhere, or you feel like you're not able to clear the interviews or not able to clear the OA, or you're struggling with DSA development or any other aspect of your career, and you need guidance, you need support, then you can connect one-to-one with me, and I'll personally help you, guide you, mentor you, and make sure that you get all of your doubts clarified and you are able to know exactly what you need to do so that you are able to crack your dream company. So you can connect one-to-one with me. The link for that is going to be in the description box. All right, coming back to this opportunity, Lenovo is hiring for IT developers. Okay, so do not get name confused by the name, because of course different companies have different convention, but it is a part of the software engineering team only, as they've also clearly mentioned. Okay, so they're looking for fresh graduates. Basically the fresher role, it is a fresher role, right? They're looking for freshers, so to speak, and IT developer is what they're calling it, but it is a part of software engineering team only, right? So we'll discuss the eligibility and then we'll go deeper into the role and of course what are their expectations with the role. So the eligibility here is pretty simple, and I'm very happy with Lenovo that they have given exactly what needs to be the eligibility. A lot of companies will confuse you guys, they'll not put the exact years and all, but Lenovo has exactly put that if you graduated between September 23 to October 25, then you are eligible. Meaning if you graduated from 2023 between October 25, you are eligible for this. So that just basically means that if you're a 25 grad or 24 grad or a 23 grad, you are eligible for this. Okay. So classic fresher role, if you're 25 grad, 24 grad, 23 grad, go for it, apply for it. Like working at Lenovo is a great thing, right? It's a pretty decent company, especially if you're at the beginning of your career, it's a great option. Okay. So we'll pass the eligibility. Hope it's clear for you guys because it's very much, written clearly. So I'm happy about that. And as for the degree, they've not mentioned only BTech, they've mentioned bachelor's degree in computer science or related fields. So they've mentioned bachelor's or master's degree. So it's not that only bachelor's they're allowing. If you have bachelor's degree or a master's degree in computer science or related field, okay. So related field will consider other bachelor's degrees also. Okay, so that is also very lenient. So the eligibility criteria here is pretty decent, pretty good. So to all right, now let's get into the role. And they have not given a lot of things. They have not given a lot of skills that they're looking for. But if you read about it and based on reading it, what I feel is that the role is more aligned towards being a Java developer, because they have mentioned that you need to have strong Java programming skills. So of course you need to have Java in your resume. That is one thing. Apart from that, they mentioned basic things like databases, data management, like with database, basically database management and microservices. So they mentioned few keywords, right? Not a lot, but they have mentioned few keywords with which you'll be able to understand what the role is more towards. So I'll give those keywords in the description box. Whatever keywords are there, I'll consolidate it and put it as a list in the description box. You can basically look at it and you'll understand more about the role. And of course, you can integrate those keywords in your resume because your resume should be aligned. If they're asking for someone aligned towards Java, your resume should be aligned towards Java. That is the point, right? And of course, Java has a lot of demand. So if you're learning Java, if you're learning Spring Boot, it will help you surely. But again, this video is not about that. So the list of keywords, whatever it is, it's not a lot, but whatever is there, the list will be in the description box. You can have a look at that. Okay. Now, apart from that, of course, it's a fresher role. So you don't need to have any experience. But if you have any internship experience, you have any certification, you have any hackathon experience, open source experience, if you have any sort of hands-on experience, practical experience, you should mention it in your resume. It is going to definitely help you in getting shortlisted, not only for Lenovo, but for every other company. But let's say you don't have anything like that, that's fine, not an issue. But your project should be of high quality. So of course, they mentioned Java. So if you have Java backend in your resume, if you have microservices in your resume, if you've used databases, if you've done these things, you need to showcase it the right way in your resume. Okay, so of course you need to have good projects. That is one thing, and you need to have a good project description. The project description you're writing should be sharp. I see a lot of people and their project description is not sharp. It is all over the place. They're not able to clarify what they did in the project. Don't be like that. Of course, the content of the resume matters, the projects matter, but the description, how you're describing them also matters. Okay. So a lot of people don't get shortlisted because their descriptions are not good. You need to work on that. So make sure your descriptions are sharp. Your descriptions are, explanatory of what the project is doing. They explain what tech stacks you're using, how you're using them. Everything should be there. Okay. So do all of these things and you'll have a great chance of getting shortlisted. I'll give some more tips if possible in the description box. And apart from that, you guys already know the drill. You've been watching my videos for a long time. Make sure you have a good ATS score and a good resume template. Both of these things I keep on adding in my description box. But I still see a lot of people using, bekar resume templates, not good resume templates. Don't do that. Stop using fancy resume templates. Stop using resume templates which are not looking professional. Use a simple overleaf template, the one that I give you the link to in the description box. Please just use that. Trust me, a lot of people underestimate, but having a good resume template is equally important. The content matters, the content of the resume matters, but this also matters. Okay, the template also matters. So make sure you have a good ATS score and make sure you have a good resume template. So that's pretty much it on how to get your resume shortlisted. And for interviews, I'll try to give some interview experiences in the description box. So I'll add them later on, so that once you get shortlisted, you can come back and revisit the description and you'll find interview experiences, or you can message me for that also. That is completely fine. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it about this video. And a lot of opportunities are coming. So whether you're 25 grad or a 26 grad or even a 27 grad, I just need you to be ready for them. I just need you to be ready, be well prepared, and have the best resume that you have. And if you want me to have a look at your resume and give you suggestions, give you improvements to make, then you can connect one to one with me. But the point I'm trying to say is that you need to have a good resume. You need to have the best version of your resume at hand, so that you're able to move your best foot forward for any opening that comes. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Keep watching for more openings because a lot more are there to come. And yeah, let's see you guys in the next video.